We start with a sum of individual series. We will show both the methods. We take sum number 3 of your book in the numerical section, exercise. In sum number 3 it is given, following are the heights of 10 students. The heights are given in centimeters and we need to calculate the average height using the direct method and also the shortcut method. So we go one by one. We have already learned the formula of direct method, x bar equal to summation x by n. So equals to, according to the question, you have the numbers, the values of x, 153 plus 156 plus 169 plus 163 plus 166 plus 158 plus 162 plus 167 plus 166 plus 180. These are the 10 values you have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 values of x divided by n. N means how many values? Just now we have seen that there are 10 values. So if you add them up, you will get the number 1640. You will be using your calculators. No mobile phone calculators will be used in the allowed in the exam hall. So you have to have separate calculators. They may be scientific calculators, they may be normal calculators. So 1640 will be your added sum and divided by 10, and you get the answer as 164. Therefore the average height, therefore the average height, the average or the mean height is 164 centimeters. 164 centimeters. This is your answer by the direct method. Next we come to the that same sum by the shortcut method. That same sum by the shortcut method. Now here when we start we first, what we have done, you see, we have first written the values of x in a series, in a line, in one column. So we have completed writing the values of x in a column. The next column shows d equals to the formula, as I said, x minus a, where a is the assumed mean. I'll tell you how to calculate the assumed mean, how to consider or assume the mean, the value. So formula is d equals to x means these values of x minus a for each of the values of x. Now in your series you find out the lowest value 153 and you find out the highest value 180. Get an average of them equals to divided by 2. Add these two, divide by 2, you get 166.5. Ignoring the decimal part for the simplicity of the sum, ignoring the decimal part, what you do, we take the assumed mean. Let a equals to 166. So as you take the assumed mean as 166, so now you can calculate that 153 minus 166 minus 13, 156 minus 166 as minus 10, and you go on like that respectively. Okay, if you go on like that respectively, you will get the values like this. Okay, and get the summation of this column, summation d equals to, get the summation of this column, which becomes out to minus 4. If you add them up considering the symbols, you get the value as minus 4. So after you get minus 4, what you do, now we are applying the formula to get the mean. So x bar equals to, the formula is already given, assumed mean. We have taken assumed mean as 166 plus, now summation d, Now summation D has worked out as, the summation D is minus 4. So we put the value here, minus 4 divided by n. So it's minus 20. It's minus 20. It's minus 20. The summation D is coming as minus 20. So it's minus 20 divided by 10 equals to 166 minus 2 equals to 164. So you get the same result which you have got by the direct method. The summation D is coming to minus 20. It's not minus 4. First I have written minus 4. Please correct it. It's D equals to minus 20. So 166 minus 20 by n. N is 10. Now 10 values are there. So it's 166 minus 2. Therefore the average or the mean height is 164 centimeters again. This is the way you do the sums of individual series by the direct method and by the shortcut method. Whichever will be asked in the question, or if both are asked according to the question in the book you have that both were asked, so you have answered in both the methods. If in the exam, if it is asked by any one method, you will do that particular method only.